Hi guys, it's Inventor Andy here, and I just wanted to do a quick video update for everybody that's in isolation or lockdown. Firstly, thank you. I've reached 100 subscribers, which is amazing, so I appreciate everybody that's subscribed. There's more videos coming, I promise. I've been a little bit busy with other stuff at the moment, but I will be doing some more videos in the next few weeks. And I just wanted to talk to you guys today. You may have noticed that I've got the 3D printer running in the background. So there's a shortage of protective masks for nurses and doctors in hospitals. These are the masks with the clear face shield that go over them. Now, there is an open source headband design that you can download. I'll put the link at the bottom of this video. And if you've got a 3D printer, please get as many of them as printed as possible. There are some addresses of manufacturers that you can send the headbands to, and they will assemble them into the full masks and make sure that they get to the hospitals where they're needed. So I urge you, if you've got a 3D printer, please do what you can to help. The build is about 3 hours for each one, but it's definitely worth it if it can help save some lives. So thank you guys, and I'll catch you soon.